Hi, I'm Hannah and I work for Redi Shade. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to measure for and install our Easy Lift shades. Before we get started, here's a few things to keep in mind. The shade I'll be working on today is an Easy Lift shade, but this method will work on our Easy Lift and Easy Lift Select shades. These only differ by headrail, so the installation steps are the same. These shades are designed for an inside mount installation for a custom and clean look. Alternatively, they can be installed as an outside mount if needed. We recommend using a steel tape measure and a standard kitchen knife to measure and cut your shade. First, you'll need to measure your window to determine which size shade you should purchase. To do so, simply measure the width of your window to the nearest 1/8 inch at the location where the shade will be placed. For an inside mount, the shade will be placed at the top of the window inside the window casing. For an outside mount, you will need to take the measurement above the window casing from edge to edge. Using your window's width measurement, select the shade that can be trimmed to your window's width. For example, my window is 30 inches in width, so I'm going to choose a 36-inch Easy Lift shade. Be sure to also measure the length of your window to confirm that it's compatible with the shades. All Easy Lift and Easy Lift Select shades can cover windows up to 64 inches in length. To install your shade, start by adjusting the included trimming guide and trim at the designated mark on both ends of the shade. For example, here I am trimming at the 30-inch mark on the right side of the shade, and then the 30-inch mark as well on the left side of the shade. Once your shade is trimmed to size, place the end caps on either end of the shade, peel the adhesive liner from the top of the shade, and install the shade into the window, pressing firmly with both hands. Alternatively, to install the shade as an outside mount, adhere the shade with the headrail perpendicular to the window casing above the window. With the shade firmly adhered to the window casing, you can operate the shade by gently raising and lowering the bottom rail. If you have any questions or need further assistance installing your shade, feel free to give us a call.